Ready? Okay. Hi guys, I am going to Vegas this weekend. I haven't been to Vegas in so long and I'm so excited. Definitely feel a little old for Vegas, but I'm gonna go full out and have fun. I thought I would show you guys what I was packing for this little getaway. I feel like maybe you guys could find a little bit of inspiration for yourselves if you have anywhere fun to go. So yeah, I am going with kind of like a 90s theme. If you haven't been able to tell already, I'm like kind of in that phase. So I'm there Friday night, Saturday day. So here's what I'm thinking. Friday night is like a little bit more of a casual look. We're going to dinner and a magic show, which I'm really excited for. So I'm gonna wear this really cute Nanushka matching set. It's like this kind of animal but floral nude and brown print turtleneck with a matching like pleated palazzo pant. Just going to wear simple gold hoops. And this vintage Chanel bag that I actually got one night. It was one of our good friends' ex-girlfriends. He broke up with her and he had bought her this bag and he asked me if I wanted it and I was like, yes please. So very lucky to have that. And then these cute little Prada booties that I just got. I haven't worn them yet. I hope they're comfortable, but I feel like for Vegas, I don't want to wear high heels. I want to be comfortable, want to be in dancing shoes. So I'm excited for these and I feel like the brown plays off of the brown in there. So that's Friday night. So next look is Saturday day. I don't know what we're doing Saturday day yet. I'm assuming some gambling and just hanging out in the hotel. So I actually got this really cute vintage Chanel dress from Janet Mandel's showroom. If you guys haven't checked Janet Mandel's showroom, you should go to janetmandel.com. This is obviously not an ad for her, but she has just really cute vintage and designer pieces. And yeah, I'm gonna wear that with these really cute Lily Saduyi, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, big white earrings, floral earrings. And this older Givenchy bag, one of my first big purchases that I ever made when I was starting to get a paycheck. And then again, I'm just wearing a little sandal with like a mini heel just because I want to be really comfortable. These are SCHUTZ, really cute, like kind of oldish sandals that I wear with a lot. So Saturday night is kind of like our big night out. We're going to dinner and a club, which is scary but exciting. And I'm also wearing a vintage Gucci outfit from Janet Mandel's showroom. It's this really cute top that ties. I'll show you guys. It ties, I'm gonna have this shirt on, so just imagine it without my sweater underneath, like that. And then it's this high-waisted midi-length skirt, which I am loving that style of right now. I feel like I'll be comfortable and not too overdressed, not too like flashy Vegas-y. And then I'm just wearing just simple gold jewelry, layering it because I don't want to be too over the top. This necklace I actually got on Amazon. This one is Miranda FRYE. She makes really good costume jewelry. And then just some simple hoops and this vintage Chanel bag that will definitely not hold all my stuff, but that's what my sisters are for. And then here are the shoes I'm wearing. So I am going to wear a heel on Saturday night just to give me a little bit of height and make me feel a little sexier. But the good thing about these Nicholas Kirkwood shoes is that they have that little platform right there so then it won't be as uncomfortable. Wish me luck.